The top reason why people do not participate in the global stock market is I don't have time to monitor my stocks daily. Okay, in this question, Awesome 10x believes that making money, really great money, is not a function of monitoring the stocks daily, and it's also not a function of day trading. Awesome 10x truly believes in making money while sleeping. How is it possible that Awesome 10x does not actively promote trading? Wouldn't people who actively trade actually make more money? The truth can never be further because Awesome 10x can show to you that the biggest 10x trends are not made simply by buying and selling it tomorrow. Even if you buy and sell it for a year, you'll still not make as much money unless you really buy and hold for a decade. If the Awesome 10x trend is decades in the making, consider example, smartphone industry, the PC era. In the PC era, the biggest personal computer era was dominated, of course, by your Microsoft and your Apple. Of course, the smartphone era was also your Apple. Now, the next 10x trend would have to be the wearables era. So it's not about you buying and selling it today, tomorrow. It's actually waiting for billions of people to actually be wearing Google glasses, to actually be wearing Apple's AR and VR glasses, maybe Snapchat's glasses. The important thing is that the biggest trends are actually not made in a day. The biggest money that you will ever make in your lifetime is actually made buying and holding, and that is what Awesome 10x actually does. We love to buy and hold the best 10x trends, and that is why we mentioned that our name is Awesome 10x. Hope that clarifies to everyone. I'm already invested in the Philippine stock market. I do not need to go global. Awesome 10x believes that while you can make a lot of money in the Philippine market, we do believe that there are so many great opportunities worldwide. It's actually not just limited in the Philippines. Consider for a fact, do you think that electric vehicles and cannabis is something that you want to invest in the next 5 to 10 years? Especially since there's Joe Biden and Kamala Harris that's actively said in their platforms, and they are the President and Vice President of America, to actually help support clean technology and also support legalizing marijuana. One of the biggest trends that's also available for people worldwide is globalization. Globalization allows you to trade, also to buy and sell stocks for as low as $1 fee. So it doesn't mean that you need a lot of money to actually invest globally. For as little as $1,000, although there's actually no minimum, but we do recommend $1,000 to start off your portfolio. You can open with accounts worldwide, whether it be Interactive Brokers, eToro, Charles Schwab, Ameritrade, E-Trade, and so forth. So you actually have so much avenues to put your wealth in, whether it be in the Sony, Nintendo for the gaming person that you are, or even Gravity Games if you are playing some Ragnarok. So it just tells you that there's just so many opportunities worldwide. Esports, Netflix streaming, connected TV era, how about connected cars? Cars that can talk because you're going to be talking. Voice assistance is such a big trend. So in my view, you don't want to miss the global stock market because large trends are happening worldwide. It's actually one of the biggest 10x moves that you can make in your life. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe again to Awesome 10x channel for more ideas.